Pissed off son of the world here. Finally, time to unbox the Arcanine Breakthrough. No, Break Evolution Box Arcanine. I've been dying to open this baby up. Because this, out of all the big cards that come in these things, this is by far, I think, the biggest. The weirdest one, anyway. Come on, open up, motherfucker. Let's see what's in here, what we got in here. We'll put this here to put the cards down. If anybody wants that, let's get 100 views. And let's go for 100 subscribers. That means you guys gotta share. You know, sharing is caring. Let's see, what do we got here? We got a couple packs. We got Evolutions packs of Venusaur. And Raichu. And Venusaur. Then we got Steam Siege. We've got Fates Collide. We've got Breakpoint. Wow, you don't even have to slide this card out. Turbo Flame. I never even heard of Turbo Flame. Arcanine card. This is beautiful. I love this. I love these big cards. They're fucking cool. I'm going to get a book for those one day because I got so many of these boxes. Then when you take out these other cards, you got to be a little careful. I never seen cards like this, though, before. Holy shit. They really fucking... I guess they're running out of ideas. Holy sheesh. We've got... I don't even know who the hell this is. Mandibuzz. Mandibuzz. And the card's like this. Instead of like that, it's like this. Mandibuzz. Put the good ones here. We got Crobat. I'm surprised they made a Crobat card like this. I mean, I never thought Crobat was that good, to be honest. Unless I'm thinking of something else. And then we got, of course, Arcanine. Oh, this card is beautiful. It's a beautiful card right there. Now let's start with the packs. Let's start off with Breakpoint. Let's start off with the Breakpoint pack. Let's see what we get. What we get. What we get. And what we get. And what we get. And what we getting. Like, share, subscribe, comment. I got a whole bunch of these to give away too. So the more share, the more like, the more subscribe, more giveaways. First we got... I'm going to have the cards like this because this light is in my eye. And I can't read it. Durant. We've got Dunsprace. Okay. We've got... Ooh, he looks cool. Heatmore. What kind of name is Heatmore? More heat. Heatmore. Shinx. Ooh, Slowpoke. Oh, I know this guy. This little Fantrump. What? Oh, Fantump. We got Psyduck. We've got Shelder. Then we got a holographic Mawile. I don't know him. And for the rare, we got Drapion. Now let's go to Fates Collide. Like, share, subscribe. You know, the more shares means the more people. Means more subscribers. Means more views. Means more comments. Means more giveaways. Get it? Zigrad? Arcanine. What is that? Whimscott? Looks like Snubble here. I seen like 5 different Snubble cards at least in these packs. Burmy? That is a weird looking fucking Pokemon. Whew. Cottony. And then we got Riolu. Then we got Gothita? Kind of rip off of the Growth. Tangela got his evolved form. I forgot about that one. Pokemon Ranger, Trainer. Chimchar. It's like a chimp and Charizard combined, it looks like. It seems like. Meow, that's right. Hoppip. Ooh, I remember Hoppip. Lickwick. And we got Mareep. I think I already have this one. Oh, but we got two holographics here. We got Galvantula. And then we got a holographic Shiftry. I think I got another one of those. That could be in a giveaway too. Ooh, who knows? I got a lot. Now let's go to the Venusaur pack. Right? These packs I think are the same. Look it up online. The original trading cards. Oh, this is what they look like. But the packs are totally different. They look so much cooler, original, and everything. Caterpie. Dig, Diglett, dig. Trio. Diglett. Oh, I just caught one of these in Hackensack today. Voltorb. Then we got Machop. And, ooh, I've been needing this one. I didn't need it as a holographic, but, ooh. Holographic Clefairy. I'm putting that over here because I need that one. Then we got Starmie. I don't think Starmie is rare. I got a lot of those in these packs, so I think there's only holographics in these packs and no, what's it called? Rares, whatever. 1, 2, 3. I think it's supposed to be 4. Oh, I don't know, maybe. Trainer. Professor Oak's Hint. Brock's Grid. Trainer. They give so many doubles in these packs. Poliwhirl. Growlithe. Water Energy. I might need to put that in my collection somewhere. I don't know. We got Magnemite. And these are all doubles. Holy shit. Charmander. I'm not sure if I have this one. Seal. I might need that one. We got a holographic Huge Disappointment. Revive. And we got Seal's Evolved Form Dugong. Maybe that's the rare. Who knows? So basically, for the holographics from the originals, we got Revive, Trainer, and Clefairy. But those are the collection. A bunch of garbage cards. From the other packs, we've got holographic Shiftry, holographic Galvantula, holographic Cincino, and then Mawile. And then for the rares, got Drapion and Rotom. Overall, doesn't seem worth it to get this. Kind of disappointed, to be honest. I mean, the only thing that really made it was this and the other 3 cards, but wow. Overall, thumbs up, thumbs down. Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment. Definitely share. Bye.